Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to self-study AP Physics 1. First, familiarize yourself with the College Board's course description to grasp the exam's scope and content. Next, acquire a reputable AP Physics 1 textbook and supplement it with free online resources like Khan Academy or YouTube channels. Finally, establish a consistent study routine, perhaps 3 sessions of 2 hours each, to cover all topics thoroughly. This foundational work is crucial for building a strong understanding. Once you have your resources, prioritize understanding the underlying physics principles rather than just memorizing equations. Work through a wide variety of practice problems, including multiple choice and free response questions, from your textbook and official College Board materials. Don't just solve them. Analyze your errors to identify weak areas. Consistent practice, perhaps 10-15 problems per day, will solidify your knowledge and problem-solving skills. To deepen your understanding, consider forming a virtual study group to discuss difficult concepts and different approaches to problems. Create flashcards for important definitions, fundamental laws, and essential equations to aid in quick recall. Make sure to revisit previously covered material regularly, perhaps dedicating 1/4 of your study time to review. This spaced repetition is vital for retaining complex information over several months. As the exam approaches, take several full-length practice tests, simulating actual exam conditions with a timer. This helps build stamina and manage your time effectively. After each practice test, meticulously review your answers, focusing on areas where you consistently make errors. Address these weaknesses with targeted study. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your study space fresh. A calm mind and a fresh environment can make a big difference on exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.